This is the usdchf. Let's open the chart here. Don't worry if it looks very complicated to you, because like everything in our life, the forex also claims the time. If you will do it day by day, you will learn it. It's not so difficult as you think. You just need a time for it. What I would like to recommend you, each day give time for yourself. So right here, what about the time 10th July 1940? 10th July 1940. Somewhere here, I guess. So right here. So let's go. What we have here? Let's go for the first time. As you see, we don't have any trend here, and what it was my mistakes, and I would like to tell you about this mistake. Try to enter to the third wave when you have a very clear trend. For example, in the larger frames like a 4 hours or daily frame, you have already the first wave, you have already the second wave, and you are in the somewhere in the third wave or in the fifth wave. So it means that you have already identified the trend, and it is your entry point is inside of the big construction or big trend. When we are in the somewhere here, like I did, and actually as you saw before, it was the losing trade. When it is somewhere from deeper, and as you see from the February, it was the minimum price, minimum somewhere here. When you saw such a thing, it was very risky, because we'll have the price or will have the pair enough power to move up or down. That's a question. All right. So what we have here in 9th July 1940, 9th July 1940. So right here, let's go. So right here, as you see, we have a very obvious trend. I will not go for a 15-minute frame, because we may see also it in the 1 minute, 1 hour frame. First wave, second wave, third wave. Sorry. So as you see, first wave, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then we have the flat. It may be also the flat wave. It may be also the zigzag. But what we will do? Did I mistake or not? We have to go to structure of the wave and to see. So I try to avoid of 15 minutes frame, but actually it will not possible. It was not possible. So as you see, we are actually in the 15 minutes frame, and here we have only, it doesn't look like zigzag. It doesn't look like zigzag, but in my opinion, why I was entered to that port somewhere here was, I think, wait a minute, as you see, we have here 61.8% correction. What it means? It's very significant correction for the flat. Usually it happens, but it looks very strange. But what about such a strange thing, such a strange shadows? But let's go back. I will try to be in the 5 minutes, because 6 minutes, because 15 minutes did not give me the right didn't give me a right vision of the situation. So let's go further and try to find. No, actually it doesn't look like Elliott, but it looks, did you see that? The first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Don't look to shadow, because for CHF and for a New Zealand dollar and for a Swiss franc, it's normal when you have such as shadows, unclear shadows. And I saw that it was the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and that was the A, B, C of the B, and then we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And my entry point was that here somewhere, as I told you before, when I have already first wave, second wave, third wave, and the third wave broke the higher level of the fifth wave, higher or point of the fifth wave, it was my entry point. But as you see, I have finally, if we will try to estimate this trade, it was a good trade, but it